Hi everyone, and thanks for joining. Today I'm going to walk you through this Redeemer box available on Hack the Box platform. This is the fourth box from the Starting Point series of machines. If you're not familiar with Starting Point concept and connecting to Hack the Box network with your own machine, one of my previous videos for Meow Box covers Starting Point concept in a bit more detail, so check that introduction out if needed. And I'll proceed focusing on walkthrough's hands-on part and go over associated task question towards the end of this video. I'm already connected to Hack the Box network. Here are details of my VPN connection. And let's proceed to spawn the target instance now. We see tags associated with this Redeemer box are redis, vulnerability assessment, databases, reconnaissance, and anonymous/guest access. While we are waiting for target's IP address to show up over here, let's skim through this walkthrough. We have target's machine's IP address reported back, so let's proceed to run ping to see if our connectivity is as expected. Then proceed to run nmap with -p- switch and -sv. For more about the nmap switches, you can check out in this nmap cheat sheet. So for example, we are running here -p- to scan all ports and not just 1000 top ports. And -sv scans the discovered services for their versions. So we are omitting UDP ports. We are just focusing on TCP ports because we haven't opted for -su flag, for example. I prepared my terminal and created a dedicated subdirectories for this box, created a dedicated notes file for this box, and downloaded walkthrough, official write-up. Let's proceed to ping the box. It's replying. Okay, great. Connectivity is there as expected. And let's proceed to run nmap. The walkthrough mentions one open redis port, number 6379. We'll see if our nmap output will show the same. Then we'll proceed to install this redis CLI tool if we don't already have it installed on our machine. We'll run --help with redis CLI tool to see all possible switches for the tool and their description. And then try to connect to our target instance redis server using -h switch. Okay, let's pause here with walkthrough. We have our nmap output showing exactly 65,534 TCP ports closed and one port open for service redis, version redis key value store 507, port 6379 as expected. So let's proceed to check if we have this tool already installed on our machine. Let's see if autocomplete works. In my case, it works. So I'll skip this installation command and proceed with --help. Next, let's try to connect to our target instance redis. Great. And let's run info to see how many key spaces we have reported back. As seen in the walkthrough, we have key space db0, so we'll run select 0. Then we'll run keys space star for all keys. So we have 4 keys reported back. So as usual, we are interested in the information related to flag. Though let's get all keys, and to be able to answer the last task question, we'll provide this flag key without quotation marks. And let's proceed to task question for this box. Task number 1, which TCP port is open on the machine? This answer is as expected from our nmap output. Task 2, which service is running on the port that is open on the machine? We saw this also. Task 3, what type of database is redis? Choose from the following options: in-memory database or traditional database. We saw that in the walkthrough. Task 4, which command line utility is used to interact with the Redis server? Enter the program name you would enter into the terminal without any arguments. That's command line tool we used. Task 5, which flag is used with the Redis command line utility to specify the host name? We used this one too. Task 6, once connected to a Redis server, which command is used to obtain the information and statistics about the Redis server? We ran this command too. Task 7, what is the version of the Redis server being used on the target machine? We saw that in our nmap output. Task 8, which command is used to select the desired database in Redis? We ran this command too, without 0 as its argument. Task 9, how many keys are present inside the database with index 0? So we saw this in our terminal. Task 10, which command is used to obtain all the keys in a database? We ran this command also. And when we run get flag and obtain its value, we'll provide it here as root flag without quotation marks. And with that, we can say we completed this box and we can terminate target machine. And that would be all for this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. Until next video. Bye for now.